So in this session, we are going to learn about the centroid of a triangular section. Now let us consider this is the triangle with base B and height h. Now at a distance of some y from the base, let us consider a small elemental area like this, whose thickness is dy. So this is dy thickness, and the width of the section, let us consider it as b1. Now from similar triangles principles, we know that if we consider this part as one triangle and the total triangle, the ratio of bases will be equal to ratio of heights. So from that, b1 by b is equal to h minus y by h. So this height will become h minus y. So that is the reason we have considered h minus y by h here. Now from this, we can write b1 is equal to h minus y by h into b. So this can also be written as 1 minus y by h into b. Now area of the element, if we consider, area of the element will be b1 into dy. So this area of the element is dA here. Now b1 value that we have got here is 1 minus y by h into b into dy. This is what we need to consider. Now the area of the total triangle is half base into height. Now from this, if we want to calculate the centroid y bar, so this will be equal to integral y dA by a. So integral y dA first we need to calculate. So this will be integral 0 to height h, y into 1 minus y by h into b into dy. So b is a constant, we can bring it this side, outside. So b integral 0 to h, y minus y square by h dy. So this will be b into y square by 2 minus y cube by 3h within the limits 0 to h. Now from this, if we solve, we will get b into h square by 2 minus h cube by 3h. So we get b into h square by 2 minus h square by 3. So b into h square by 2 minus h square by 3. This is integral y dA. On doing LCM, this will be 6. So this becomes bh square by 6. So bh square by 6 is integral y dA. Now y bar will be integral y dA by a. So this will be bh square by 6 by half base into height. So from this, you will get y bar as h by 3. So the centroid will be located at a height of h by 3 from the base. So this is what we need to understand from this particular derivation.